Hey folks, welcome to this video on brand, branding and brand identity, where we're going to look at the three terms and get a good handle on what they actually mean. Because from my experience, many people use those three terms interchangeably when they shouldn't. So let's jump into the first one, which is brand. Now the word brand can be described in many ways. But I like to use the term that Marty Neumeier came up with. He's the author of the fantastic book called The Brand Gap. I like Marty's explanation so much that I've actually copied the pages and stuck them onto the wall of my office so that when clients visit, I can show them what exactly it is that I'm trying to help them with when it comes to brand. Here's what Marty says. A brand is a person's gut feeling about a product, service, or company. So you can see from that statement that a brand is not a logo, as many people believe. It is more intangible than that. It's an emotion, it's a feeling that people have about your brand. In addition to Marty's gut feeling statement, he also says, a brand is not what you say it is, a brand is what they, the customer, says it is. So what he's saying is you cannot tell people what your brand is, what it should be, how they should feel about it, because they will make their own decision and their own judgment on the interactions that they have with your brand, or what other people have told them about the interactions they've had with your brand. So although we can't specifically tell people what to think, we can influence them. And that's where branding comes in. It is through branding that we create positive interactions and experiences for our customers. And these are what build that trust and loyalty and that gut feeling that the customer has towards your brand. Branding is used to show your uniqueness when customers begin to compare your brand with others. And to do that, your branding needs to utilize different elements. And these can be found in what's known as your brand identity. Where brand, as we've said, is that intangible gut feeling, your brand identity is the visual, tangible element of your brand. These are things such as your logo, color palette, your website, how you communicate with your customers, your tone of voice, brochures, advertisements, and so on. Where you have a brand touch point with a customer, your brand identity will be in play. When customers see your brand identity working cohesively and consistently together, hopefully that builds on that positive experience that we want to give them. You need to continually nurture that positive experience so that customers will continue to come back again and again. And also, hopefully, to recommend your brand to others. Because when it comes to buying from brands, one of the first things that we all do is we ask friends, family, work colleagues, who have they purchased a specific product or service from, and who would they recommend? So by building up lots of loyal customers or brand advocates, they will do a lot of the heavy lifting for the brand. They will be that referral for you. And then when it comes to your brand identity, that will be the visual icing on the cake that lets those customers know they've landed on the right brand for them. So to recap, here are the three things that you need to know. Brand is what customers feel and think about you. Branding is the process of influencing a customer's perception, their gut feeling of your brand. And brand identity is the look and feel of your brand. I hope this video has cleared up the three definitions for you. If you'd like more tips like these delivered directly to your inbox once a month, absolutely free, sign up to my Rock Your Brand email newsletter. You'll see the address to do that on screen right now. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, give the video a like, and I'd love to hear your comments in the comments section below. Until I see you next time, Stay creative.